Hey guys, are you looking for a way to share your notes with your close friends on Instagram? In this short tutorial, I will show you step by step how to easily and securely share your notes with only those closest to you. After watching this video, you will learn how to manage who can see your notes and you can protect yourself from the online privacy threat. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, we will open our Instagram mobile application and then we simply have to tap on the message icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on this screen, at the top left you will see your profile picture, the plus sign which says leave a note. So go ahead and tap on that. Now here you can type anything like after that, right under the share you can see two different options. You can choose to share it with your followers you follow back or with your close friends. Simply tap on the close friends and you simply have to tap on share at the top right corner of the screen. After that, your note will only be shared to your close friends. So guys, that's been me in the end of the video. Hope you guys like this tutorial. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.